guests. Today on G Champion, we're delving into the mesmerizing world of fractal geometry, a Class 11 math experiment that transcends the boundaries of regular shapes. Get ready for a mathematical journey like never before. Safety first, even in the realm of mathematics. Secure your mathematical mindset and let's embark on this exploration of fractals. Fractals are intricate patterns that exhibit self-similarity at different scales. Today, we're going to create a simple fractal, the quartz snowflake, and witness how complexity emerges from simplicity. Grab your ruler and pencil. We're going to iteratively build the quartz snowflake. With each iteration, the snowflake becomes more intricate, showcasing the power of mathematical recursion. Notice how each iteration adds complexity. This self-replicating pattern demonstrates the beauty of fractals. Endless detail emerging from a simple geometric progression. Fractals are not just visually stunning, they're deeply rooted in mathematics. The quartz snowflake, for instance, can be expressed through recursive equations, offering a mathematical language for understanding its structure. Fractals go beyond the quartz snowflake. The Mandelbrot set, a famous fractal, reveals intricate patterns at every zoom level. It's a vast mathematical universe waiting to be explored. Fractals, a blend of art and mathematics, challenge our perception of shapes and patterns. From the simplicity of a triangle to the infinite complexity of a fractal, mathematics continues to awe and inspire. If you found the world of intriguing, hit that like button, subscribe for more math adventures, and let us know in the comments which mathematical concept you'd love to explore next. Until then, keep unraveling the mysteries of math. See you in the next video.